How to work out your ThermaDoor foam packers. There are 9 and 6mm packers. Packers are used to keep the ThermaDoor panel firm inside your garage door. To work out the packers required, use one of the ThermaDoor panel offcuts as a test piece. If the panel sits firmly, no packers are required. If it moves in and out, packers are needed. Using either the 6 or 9mm packers, place them at the top and bottom of the panel. Slide the test piece into position again and check it's firmly in place. Once you have worked out the correct packers needed, place the packers on all your panels. With most steel-lined garage doors, 6mm or 9mm packers are needed in the bottom to stop the ThermaDoor panel from dropping and falling out at the top.